We have 15 minutes before they close, everyone.
Oh dear, I cannot find the shopping list.
Do not worry, Mom. I remember most of the items.
Look at that balloon, Dad!
Tom, please stay close. We need to move fast.
Excuse me, how much are these tomatoes per kilo?
They are $2 each, sir. Very fresh today.
I will take these 3 bunches, please.
Next, we need onions and garlic for the soup.
Good progress. Let us keep moving.
Excuse me, could you help me find the bread aisle?
Walk straight for 2 minutes, then turn left near the dairy section.
Thank you very much. I will remember that.
You are doing great, Lisa. Keep going.
Wow, the cookies look amazing! Oh no, my bear fell down!
Here you go, little man. Always hold your toys tightly.
Thank you. I will be careful now.
We have 8 minutes left. Let us find the milk and cheese.
This is the right spice for the pasta sauce.
We still need eggs, butter, and 1 loaf of bread.
Perfect. The basket is getting heavy, but we are almost done.
Let us meet at the checkout in 3 minutes. Wait, we still need 1 carton of milk.
Lisa, can you run and get the milk? I will wait here.
Yes, I know exactly where it is. Excuse me, could you give me 1 carton of fresh milk, please?
Here you go. It expires next Friday.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day. I am almost back to the family.
She should be here any second now.
We have everything for tonight's dinner.
I see Lisa coming back.
I got the milk. We are all ready.
Perfect timing. Let us pay and go home.
Yay!
Your total is $24.50.
I have $25. Do you have 50 cents in change?
I am sorry. I only have quarters. Do you have exact change?
I have 3 quarters. That is 75 cents.
Perfect. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here is your receipt and your change. Have a nice day.
These bags are heavy. We need to balance the weight.
Okay, let me help distribute the items evenly.
I will put the vegetables in this bag so they do not get squished.
Can I carry the milk, Mom? I want to help.
Yes, you can. Hold it with 2 hands and walk slowly.
This bag is ready. It has the bread and the spices.
Hello. Did you find everything you needed today?
Yes, we did. Thank you for asking. How are you today?
Hello, little dog. What is your name?
This is Max. He loves meeting new friends at the market.
Max is very friendly. Can we play with him sometime?
Wait, which way is the main exit? The signs are confusing.
The main exit is to the right. But we came from that direction.
Should we ask someone for directions? The market is almost empty.
Do you need help finding the exit, friends?
Yes, please. We are a bit lost. Which way to the main gate?
Go straight for 1 minute. Turn left at the blue door. You will see it.
Oh no! Max is running away!
Max! Come back! Please, someone help me!
I will help find him. Stay here with the children.
I can help too, Dad. I am fast and I know how to call dogs.
Max! Where are you, boy? Come here!
Max. Good dog. We have treats for you. Dogs love food. Maybe this will bring him out. I hear something. Max, is that you?
They have been gone for 3 minutes. I hope they are okay.
Dad and Lisa will find Max. They are very brave.
Come and get it, Max. It is yummy. Good boy, Max. You are so smart.
Excellent teamwork, Lisa. Let us take Max back to his owner.
Max? Oh, thank you so much. I was so worried.
You are very kind children. How can I thank you?
You do not need to thank us. We are happy to help.
There you are. We were getting worried.
Goodbye, Max. See you next time.
The bags are heavier than I thought. Let us walk slowly.
Mom, can we rest for a minute? My arms are tired.
My hands are red from the bag handles.
We still have 20 minutes to walk. We need a better plan.
If we take the bus, we can be home in 10 minutes.
The number 42 bus goes past our apartment. It comes every 15 minutes.
I am so hungry. Can we eat dinner soon?
Here is an apple for now. Dinner will be ready when we get home.
The bus is coming! Everyone, get ready to board quickly!
I will pay for the tickets. I have the coins ready.
4 tickets to Maple Street, please. 2 adults and 2 children.
Here are your tickets. Please move to the back. More people will board.
I see 2 seats. Lisa and Tom, you sit down. We will stand.
Is it raining outside? I see drops on the window. Yes, it is starting to rain.
Oh no, it is raining hard now. We do not have umbrellas.
The groceries will get wet. We need to protect them somehow.
I have my rain jacket. We can use it to cover the bags.
Next stop, Maple Street. Please prepare to exit.
This is perfect, Lisa. You are very smart to bring this.
Our building is 2 blocks away. Keep the bags dry.
I am splashing in the puddles. This is fun.
Be careful, Tom. The steps are slippery when wet.
We made it. The bags are completely dry inside.
Finally, we are home. Let me unlock the door.
I cannot wait to put these bags down. My arms are so tired.
We are home. Can I help cook dinner?
Our market adventure is complete. We bought everything we needed.
Let us work together. Tom, put the milk in the refrigerator.
The milk is safe and cold now.
I will wash the vegetables. We need tomatoes, spinach, and onions.
Good teamwork, Lisa. I will dry while you wash.
I will make our favorite tomato soup and pasta with fresh spinach.
1 plate for Dad, 1 for Mom, 1 for Lisa, and 1 for me.
Today was difficult, but we did it together as a family.
Let us say thank you for this food and for our day together.
Wow, Mom. This is the best soup ever.
Today I learned how to ask for directions and help a lost dog.
You were very brave today, Lisa. I am proud of how you helped.
We faced many problems today, but we solved them together.
Can we go to the market again next week? I want to see Max.
Yes, we will go again. But next time, we will remember the shopping list.
Today was a perfect adventure. I love our family.
The end. Or just the beginning of our next adventure.